some of the information that we are looking for has already been collected, and we just have to look for it. Examples of documents include emails, memos, reports, budgets, SWOT analyses, balanced scorecards. In the context of needs assessment, documentation is one of the more objective methods. It isn't as biased by the training context. It isn't perfect, but it tends to be more objective than surveys, interviews, focus groups. One of the benefits of documentation is that it helps us identify issues that humans may not notice or that humans may ignore. The balanced scorecard, for instance, usually identifies specific targets and activities associated with each objective. Many of those initiatives and activities are going to be related in some way, shape, or form to training and development. Documentation is also useful when we don't know much about the situation and when we don't have any job incumbents to talk to about a job or a task. Some documentation may not be geared toward the training context, and so it may be difficult for us to comprehend or link to what we are doing in HR. Plus, some organizations don't share the kind of information that might be helpful to us. That information may be reserved for specific individuals. It may not be something that we can just access.